learning space, I would like a treehouse, a pool, an ice cream shop, some apple trees, an orange bush, fruit garden, a tree house.
Can you have a swimming pool, a swing, and a slide?
Ice cream shop and a swimming pool. In our outdoor learning space, I would like a clubhouse, swimming pool, birdhouse, and a slide. Can we please have a cubby house and a swimming pool and a duck pool? There's a tower to get up to the zip line and another tower to get up to the zip line, and you can jump off the zip line. And there's a tree house and a chocolate shop. I would like a zip line and a big tent, even a tree house, even a pool, even a slide that goes into the pool. In our outdoor learning space, I would like a tree house, a slide into a swimming pool, a zip line into a swimming pool, a shark tank, a trampoline, a pet house, and a campfire. Water slide into a pool, a cubby house, a ladder up into the tree house, a flower garden, and there's a red slide, a hot dog shop, a place for birds to have a swim, and I want a big water slide and the tree house and a zip line connect to the pet's house. I like a zip line, and I slide into a pool, and a veggie garden. I would like a pool, a slide in the pool, a tree, a house. In our outdoor learning space, I would like a little kid swimming pool, a big kid swimming pool, a flower patch, a tree house, and another cubby house that goes to another cubby house with a zip line to it, a swimming pool, a hoop, a giant slide, gummy bears, dog stand, a tree house, a swimming pool, and a zip line. In our outdoor learning space, I would like a tree house, a shark tank, an ice cream shop, a painting area, a pet store, and a swimming pool.
I want a swimming pool that connects to the clubhouse, and we can do monkey bars, and there's another slip line. And I want a hot dog stand and a bird bath.
Dear Mrs. Radrandra, this place opposite the library is very messy. We would like a clean space. Kindy Year 1 and Year 2 would like to clean it and make it an amazing outdoor learning area. Could we please have a pool, canteen, ice cream shop, a hot dog store, cubby house, vegetable patch, seating, a whiteboard, and a zip line? Could all this possibly be done at Taraji Public School? Kind regards, Sophie.